need 2 big pots.
Sure.
Thank you.
How big? This trash.
You look tired.
I am tired. You know, I went to bed late. Yeah, they're kind of draining me a little bit.
Did Shelton call you?
Actually, you know what happened with Shelton?
He told me.
Did you get a chance to talk to him that there was a flood?
Yeah, he said
From
something
Chicago?
about the bus.
So
They're gonna do a bus instead of four.
he's going to do a bus to Michigan City. I mean, actually, he's going to do a bus to Miles.
Mommy, can I get my hands dirty?
Ja, später. Aber du musst auch mal deine Armbänder abnehmen.
Ich soll meine was machen?
Deine Armbänder abnehmen.
Ausziehen?
Abnehmen, yes. Did you guys invite Crystal and Jeremy?
Well, we can.
I told Jerry,
Is
but
it enough?
yeah, we bought like a lot.
Okay.
Do you happen to have 2 pots, please?
I'm going to get the
Okay.
Oh, did you finish yourself? Excellent.
Let's see how I do.
Okay, what's still in the Kühlschrank nach Cranberries? Da,
Look at me.
that hier da in der Tür, wo sind Cranberries? In der blauen Packung. Runter. Runter. Da. Du kannst doch mal lesen, ne?
I'm waiting for people. I'm the server and I have to help them serve. Oh, can I crunch them?
Ja. Du brauchst die, ne?
Do you smell it? Do you smell it? Can you smell it? Grandma, look.
What were those? Can you help Louise?
Oh, just the pots. That would be nice. Thank you. I think Jerry said you're gonna do the mashed potatoes.
I can use it all. From scratch.
We bought this mashed potato box.
Is this big enough pot?
This one and this one for
Okay.
Ruby. And then mashed potatoes. I don't know, we bought this box and you had a box already.
Oh, well, we're doing regular mashed potatoes. Okay.
I mean, it's up to
That
you
makes,
how much.
yeah,
'Cause
that's so much
Auntie
easier. It
called-
takes like 10 minutes to make mashed
Exactly.
potatoes. So.
And Auntie said she's gonna fix mac and cheese.
Okay.
We didn't know what kind you were gonna make.
What about this? Okay. Is this pot better one. And I was going to take it back.
Do you think that's enough for everyone?
Yeah.
Mama,
We
cook my,
counted like 13.
Mama, cook
That's
my,
fine.
Mama, cook my.
Super.
Yeah.
Look at this, everybody.
What is that? I think this one's too big. This is
Actually, it's all something that I wanted. And
you can sell some.
no.
What? Okay. Here's the big one. Why don't you use this one?
I washed out this thing here.
Here's a huge one. What about this one?
That's okay, I have one that's the same. I washed out this thing and I
Okay, because that's actually an extra bowl that you have. Fine, I don't care. What you doing? You helping your mom? Look at my grandbaby. Good job. Good job. Is this your book on how to decorate it?
yeah, I just bought that.
Ideas under $100.
Huh?
Ideas under
Yeah, I like the
$100.
pillow with the buttons on it.
Crunch it up.
On the front page?
Yeah, like I like everything to make that. Embellish it.
Oh, okay.
Miss.
Yeah.
What's this?
And look how it is. Oh, now I have to break this piece. Mommy, do you think these are too small?
No, that's fine.
Weiter?
Here goes another. Super! Yoo-hoo! I'm done.
Thank you.
I'm dinner.
I get my hands dirty now.
Weißt du, was du machen kannst? Du kannst mal versuchen, ob du die aufmachen kannst. Du musst so machen. Machst du. Und dann, wenn das so schwach macht, dann kannst du auch machen. Wir brauchen Papa. Ist Papa hier? Oh, das tut weh. Butter! Wieso denn Butter?
Mama has dessert. She made a peach cobbler.
We need a big table.
Well, we just had to eat all over the house like good old country folk do. Everybody found on the spot.
Where's your garden table?
My garden table, oh yeah, it's in my garden.
One.
What's that?